Welcome to managing users in a Windows 2003 server environment. During this brief tutorial, I will be showing you how to manage your users that you have already created, as far as moving them or joining them to different groups. We will be using the Active Directory Users and Computers MMC plugin to be configured. We will be accessing it by clicking on our Start and Administrative Tools and Active Directory Users and Computers. So again, if you don't have your administrative tools, you can access it via clicking on Control Panel, Administrative Tools, and Active Directory Users and Computers. Once you've opened up your Users and Computers MMC, you simply browse your structure to the left until you find your organizational unit or your container which holds your users. Once you've found that container, you simply find the user to which you wish to manage. Select that user on the right. Go to your Actions and Properties. This will bring up that user's property dialog box. Now, from this dialog box, you simply go into the Members Of tab and manage the user. So from here, we're going to add this user to a group. That group is the sales group. So we'll simply type in sales and we will do check names and it pulls up the sales group. Simply select OK. And now new user 2 is a member of the sales group. All permissions that had been set for the sales group will now apply to new user 2. So if the sales group has access to a specified folder on the network or a specific printer or email, new user 2 now has access to all of them items that the sales has. And it's just as simple to remove a member or remove new user from a group. Simply select the group to which new user 2 is no longer a member of and select remove. It will confirm that you want to remove new user 2 from the selected group or groups. You simply select yes, and that member is no longer a part of that specified group. That's how easy it is to modify or manage users in a Windows 2003 environment. Managing the user profiles are as simple as adding it to a group or modifying any of the information contained within any of these tabs. Once again, these tabs went over in managing users, but we will briefly go over them yet again. We will rejoin new user 2 to the sales group by simply selecting add. Briefly type in the name, it will populate. There's our sales group. Simply apply, OK. And now new user 2 is a member of the sales group. If there was any other information that we wanted to apply to it, say the general information, under the description we wanted to list the new user as being a member of the sales team, simply type that in the description, apply, select OK, and now to the right of the new user's name, under the description, it now lists that user in the sales team. Thank you for viewing my brief video tutorial on managing profiles in a Windows 2003 server environment. Please feel free to post any notes or comments you have about my video tutorial in the form listed below.